Korea may have to look for a new export strategy when it comes to China, its #1 trading partner. Seoul has seen its trade surplus with Beijing shrink in recent years, as our Kim Ji-yeon explains.
A report by the Korea Institute for International Economic Policy released on Friday shows the country's trade surplus with China recorded $37.5 billion in 2016, a drop by 40% from 3 years earlier. Moreover, the ratio of Korea's trade surplus to bilateral trade volume inched down to 17.7% last year, which is a near 10 percentage point drop from 2013. The institute attributed the plunge to China's policy of replacing import goods with domestic counterparts, restrictions on processing trade, which involves importing raw materials or intermediate goods, and more Korean companies choosing to move into China instead of exporting their products. In order to keep the country's trade surplus from sinking further, the institute recommended Korean companies to try to manufacture more value-added parts and components rather than to rely on processing trade. Currently, more than 80% of Korean exports to China are comprised of processing trade with materials based in Korea. Kim Ji-yeon, Arirang News.